I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today I'm going to make a veneer for a phone case. This really is just a veneer that is epoxied onto a rubber phone case, and the idea of this video is it's more experimental. I just wanted to see if I could cut a thin veneer and use it in an application like this. I used zebra wood, and I think it came out pretty good, so let's check it out. So really, one of the only cuts I'm really going to need to make on this project is the one I'm about to do now. I've got my dado stack. I've got it set just a little bit below the surface of my workpiece, which is already thin. It's already 1/4 inch. And I'm sure somebody's going to say something about me not having an insert. I know I don't have an insert. I will get an insert at some point. Trying to cut it, which at first I thought about doing on maybe the bandsaw or the scroll saw, but it's thin enough I think I can at least cut a good chunk of it like this. And what I'm really unsure about is how I'm going to take care of this rough area here from the dado stack. I'm scared to sand it. Okay, so I've been fooling around with this for a while now, just kind of using that box cutter to cut it to shape, and it just feels so fragile. It's terrifying. I'm going to apply it to the phone case. The only thing I can think of is epoxy. I hope y'all know I don't know what I'm doing. Well, we'll let this sit and cure, and then we'll see if I just totally ruined a nice piece of zebra wood or if I got something that's going to work. I think I could go ahead and try to sand it. Well, I've got it sanded down as best as I could, and it seems pretty good. I still got a few ridges in it from the dado stack, but it seems pretty good. So there it is. I don't know if you would want to try the same thing to make yourself a phone case, or if you would want to try to make a veneer the way I did for something else, because I don't have a planer, so I can't plane wood down really thin. So that was the next best thing I could think of. I actually am pretty happy with how it came out. I still got some ridges in it from the dado stack, and with sanding I didn't want it to flex and crack or sand through it, so it's not too bad. You probably can't even tell on the camera. For a first time, I think that's pretty good. I could live with that. So if you liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to this channel because I have brand new woodworking videos every Friday. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time. I gotta go get my cat. He's leaving the yard.